Cathay Pacific returned to the black in its 2023 earnings report with a net profit of nearly $9.8 billion. This marks not just the first profitable year for Cathay since 2019, but also the highest profits earned by the airline since 2010. But Cathay is still struggling to hire pilots and meet the target to fully recover its flight capacity. After the city lifted all pandemic-related travel restrictions more than a year ago, Cathay Pacific is making a strong recovery. Its annual net profit in 2023 stood at $9.78 billion. Passenger services revenue surged more than 300% year-on-year to $61.4 billion. But cargo profits fell 16% to $25.6 billion. Overall, the city's flagship carrier not just reversed hefty losses in the previous 3 consecutive years, but also earned the most since 2010. The turnaround also restored the company's dividend payout for the first time, with its directors recommending an interim dividend of 43 cents per share.
Our results in 2023 were driven by the strong pent-up demand for travel. However, inflationary pressure along the entire aviation supply chain has persisted since the pandemic and will continue to have an impact on airfares.
In an internal memo, Cathay's management announced that eligible employees will receive a bonus worth 7.2 weeks' pay. Last year, it paid the government $1.97 billion in preference share dividends, and it plans to buy back the remainder of the shares by the end of July. On restoring flight capacity,
we are now in the middle of our rebuild journey. The rebuild will take roughly 2 years, and our projection is that within Q2 2024, we'll build back 80% of our passenger flights.
But it has pushed back the target for restoring pre-pandemic capacity by 3 months to early 2025. Cathay explained that's due to a manpower crunch. The group needs 500 more pilots who will be trained over the coming year, and it will continue to review the remuneration packages to retain the pilots. Cathay is also planning to hire 5,000 workers this year. Recruitment drive for flight attendants will continue on the mainland, but the majority of crew members will still be from Hong Kong.